2024.
Ma jopuonj mar Kuppet sani koro kwayo piny owacho mondo ondikie tij jopuonje maromo 46,000 mosebedo ka tiegore kata interns kendo migi orak mongirore. Jalup jagoro mar Kuppet Moses Dhurima owacho ni kaluwore gi dwaro mado machungo ndiko jopuonje ma kamago, ng'ikruok nyalo bedo e skunde mag secondary madundo ka Kuppet bende kwayo piny owacho mondo ochiw omenda ne skunde e saa mowinjore e kinde ma skunde ichano yaw juma manyien.
Intern teachers are the backbone of JSS. If their contract remain in limbo, service delivery in GSS would be irreparably affected. Kuppet therefore calls for an immediate assurance to the intern teachers their contracts will be upgraded to permanent and pensionable terms, because if their contracts have been stayed by court, as we open the schools, the situation will be terrible for the learners. At the same time, schools are yet to receive their disbursement of free-day secondary education, better known as capitation funds. The 16 billion that was released in March this year still left big gaps in what is owned by to schools. By the end of the first term, the institutions and received Kenya shillings 7,800 per learner instead of 11,122, which means the financial situation of our schools are in a very bad situation, and we are asking the government to move fast to release the funds. In high schools, Form 1 and 2 have not received the course books, which means what they have done in the first term of this year was just guesswork. So you can imagine how the level of quality education has been hampered.